welcome back. Now, the experts at GTA Restorations have some great tips on protecting your home from the elements.
What should a property owner do to recover from fire damage to their home or business?
So recovering from a fire is a big process, and you want to make sure that you take the proper steps in order to get this remediated correctly. Fire damage is accompanied by soot, smoke damage, poor air quality, and flooding from firefighter efforts, which creates water damage. Water damage from firefighting efforts is devastating and extends to all of the areas in your home, from your flooring to your appliances to all of your contents, furniture, and rugs. This is very important because with water damage, there's a very real threat of mold within 12 to 48 hours to grow, which is why water damage remediation is immediately required after firefighting services have been completed. Step 1, decontamination. It's imperative that you decontaminate and deodorize your property first to restore air quality. Properly decontaminate and deodorize all of the belongings and contents within the property to ensure that all of the harmful pollutants have been sanitized and removed from these items. So immediate water damage remediation involves removing all of the standing water and then initiating the drying process with a series of fans and dehumidifiers. We first start by extracting all of the water from the house using a series of extractors, vacuums, and pumps to remove all of the standing water. Once this has been completed, we then set up our fans, dehumidifiers, and air movers to dry out the structure and remove any moisture from the building materials. Once we decontaminate your property and deal with the water damage issue that has arisen, it is now time for the next step, which is the restoration process. So recommended restoration work ranges from your contents to cleaning and deodorizing your carpets and your rugs to the odor removal within the house, air quality issues, and restoring floors, walls, ceilings, kitchens, etc. back to their original state. In the event of a fire, be sure to take the right steps forward. Together with your professional restoration team, we'll work together to make sure that we've taken care of this for you from start to finish.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.